Ukiona tugitwo guku over maundu maria matari na njira ri ni kugeria contaminate na gutwenderia guoya magiciragia ati Mwago to no munini ri no mamutice oi mahitetie njira ithio tutikwenderio guoya na tondu Rigathĩ Gachagua arugamana na kihoto na nikio tukorwo tumurumireire to ni mundu arugamire na ruriri hatiri undu ungi na gutire hindi angithie mbara-ini ithio tumutiganirie ithio ni ithio jeshi yake na tukurwa nake tukurwa twinake nginya ndeka ya mwisho matwira nginya ake ni mwite tukarigwo andu acio angi aria maragia guku ri niki mataretwo na hau niho urona maundu maria turarega bururi uyu maundu macio nimo matucoketie thutha to commission teno ibatie gukorwo ikirunga maundu no ti kuhuthirwo ni aria mari ite-ini kugeria gukiria andu hau niho thina witu ri riu
particular offense, and therefore you told the commission that their work is not to settle political scores, because what they agreed with is that my client made statements about Kiambaa Church, and they say that the statement was associated to Mr. William Ruto, and therefore they feel aggrieved that Mr. William Ruto was associated with that statement by my client. We did not see anything attracting any aspect that can create ethnic animosity, because Mr. William Ruto is not a tribe in Kenya. Mr. William Ruto is just Mr. William Ruto. He's not a tribe in Kenya. So when we make reference about him, we are not making reference in respect to any community or any tribe.